Let's learn how to process reissue for totally unused ticket with date change fee, using auto and manual reissue commands. Here, we have this PNR already ticketed for Doha to Colombo on Sri Lankan Airlines for January 18th. Now, passenger wants to change the date of travel to January 20th. Display ticketing fields using asterisk with letter T. Let's display e-ticket record on second line with command WETR*2. This ticket was issued on November 6, 2023. And the flight coupon status is open. Before making any changes in booking, we need to check the fare rules for this ticket. Click on Tools in menu bar and select Memo Pad. It will capture electronic ticket details displayed on Sabre red screen. These details can be used for reference while checking fare rules. Now, we will use fare quote command to check fare rules. For applicable date change penalty, start with two-letter code FQ, followed by ticket issuance date with year. Origin and destination airport codes. Date of travel with year. Hyphen with two-letter validating carrier code. Add Cross of Lorraine. Followed by fare basis qualifier code Q. Copy the fare basis from ticket record and paste it after letter Q. Press Enter to continue. Here is the fare basis. Letter K indicates booking class. Letter O indicates one-way fare. Here is the base fare without Q surcharge. Type RD command with line number 1. Followed by asterisk with letter M. This command will display fare rules menu for the fare on line number 1. Here the category number for penalties is 16. To display penalty rules, type command RD1 *, either with category 16 or with two-letter code PE. For date change, the penalty is QAR 130. But first change fee is only QAR 50. Here is the no-show fee. Now, we will check fare rules using Command Helper. Clear the screen with Ctrl plus backspace key. Click on Command Helper on right side of screen. Select Air. By default, fare quote option is displayed. Select origin as Doha and destination as Colombo. Current date is reflecting as date of travel. We will leave date field as it is. Select validating carrier code as UL. Add booking class code K as per e-ticket record. Click on plus sign for advanced qualifiers. Select journey type. And ticketing date from the list. Ticketing date is November 6, 2023. Select the same date from calendar. Travel date is January 18, 2024. Select the same from calendar. Now, click on Get Fare Quote tab. The fare basis reflecting on e-ticket record is displayed on line number 1. Let's close the memo pad and click on the drop-down for first fare. Now, click on green icon on right side. Select category 16 for penalty rules. On right side, change fee is mentioned. We got same result with FQ command. Clear the screen with Ctrl plus backspace key and click on manual command on right side. Type asterisk with letter A to display all the elements of PNR. Please note that checking fare rules is optional for automated exchange, but for manual exchange, it is a mandatory step. For automated reissue, the original ticket should have been issued with guaranteed fare. Our passenger is ready to pay the date change fee and wants to travel on January 20th. Let's make the changes as requested by passenger. To cancel flight segment on line number 1, type letter X with number 1. Let's search availability for January 20th. Select the booking class K and click on Cell. Type asterisk with letter A to display all the elements of PNR. Save the changes. Type IR command to ignore and retrieve the PNR. The status of new segment is confirmed. And airline record locator is received. Type *N, *I, *T to display name, itinerary, and ticketing fields. This is an optional step. To reissue ticket record on line number 2, using automated exchanges, type command WFRFTR with number 2. Here, the original fare and new fare amount is same. Hence, there is no fare difference for reissue. Applicable change fee is QAR 50 for first change. Automated exchange uses. The airline filed Category 31, Voluntary Exchange Rules, to calculate the total cost of exchange and apply the appropriate penalties. There are 3 different methods to collect fee. Please contact concerned airline to confirm if fee should be collected as tax, in total, or as electronic miscellaneous document. If you are collecting fee as tax, enter the 2-letter tax code, as advised by carrier. If you are collecting fee in total, then select this option by adding letter X here. To collect fee as a separate charge on an EMD, do not select any option on this screen, and move to the next screen by adding X here. The change fee EMD field automatically populates with an X. It can be collected either as cash or check, or as credit card. Credit card number and expiry date can be added here. Let's select form of payment as cash. The change fee amount is displayed at the top. Tour code can be added here. The system automatically populates baggage allowance. To view or modify baggage, put letter X here. All the modifications should be authorized by concerned carrier in advance. To move to the previous screen, add letter X here. Endorsement can be updated using this option. This is the existing endorsement. Place an X in TKT field to exchange ticket and issue EMD for change fee immediately. Or place an X in retain field to store the exchange data in PQR record and issue both documents later. Transaction is retained. Now save the changes. Type IR command to ignore and retrieve the PNR. Display price quote summary using *PQS command. Here is the retained reissue record number 2, and change fee is QAR 50. Type *PQR2 to display details stored in PQR. All the fare and taxes details are displayed here. Move down using MD command. Change fee is QAR 50, which will be collected on EMD. Ticket will be reissued with no additional collection. Move up using MU command. To issue ticket and EMD from retained PQ record, type letter W with cross of Lorraine, followed by PQR2. We are not processing this command, as we will learn how to create PQR using manual reissue command. Clear the screen using Ctrl+Backspace key. Display PNR using * with letter A. Type *N, *I, *T to display name, itinerary and ticketing fields. Lodge refunds and exchanges mask with WFRTR command, followed by ticket record line number 2. Enter the transaction code X for exchange here. Move to the next screen by adding X here. Original and new fare is same. Hence, there is no additional collection for reissue. As per fair rules, the applicable fee for first change is QAR 50. Let's add the same amount here. To collect fee as tax, add 2-letter code here. To collect fee in total, add X here. Move to the next screen to collect fee on an EMD. The change fee EMD field automatically populates with an X. Rest of the options on this screen were already discussed in this video during auto reissue demo. Let's select the form of payment as cash for change fee amount. This time we will place an X in TKT field to exchange ticket and issue EMD immediately. Here, we can see that both documents are issued. Save the changes. Use IR command to ignore and retrieve the PNR. Display ticketing fields using asterisk with letter T. Let's check the status of original ticket on line 2. Type WETR command with asterisk followed by number 2. The status of flight coupon is changed to EXCH. Let's display new ticket record on line number 3. Here, the coupon status is open for new ticket. Ticket issued with no additional collection. Let's display ticketing fields again. EMD record is on line number 4. To display EMD record, type WEMD command with asterisk followed by number 4. This the change fee amount. Clear the screen and type *HT command to display ticketing entry in history. Here, we can see commands processed by system to exchange ticket and issue change fee EMD when we placed an X in TKT field of reissue mask. Display all the elements of PNR, the date change fee, and applicable fare difference can be checked without saving the new segment. Here, we have sold segment 2 with new date. The passenger just wants to check if there is any fee or fare difference applicable for date change. Use WFRF command for ticket record on second line. Add Cross of Lorraine, followed by segment number 2. Here, we can view applicable change fee amount. Move to the next screen by placing X here. Change fee will be collected on EMD. We are not retaining the mask, as the passenger is just checking the details. Let's quit the mask by placing X here. Display PNR using asterisk with letter A. Use IR command to ignore and retrieve the PNR, as we do not want to keep segment 2. Now, ignore the PNR, as we completed reissuance process for date change.